Hello kids, welcome to our fun learning channel. Today let's play Guess the Farm Animal game. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. See the picture? Guess the animal. Guess who am I? Your time start now. Yes, I am dog. See the next picture. Guess who am I? Can you guess? Yes, I am cat. See the next picture. Guess who am I? Can you guess? Yes, I am horse. See the next picture. Can you guess? Guess the animal. Yes, it's goat. See the next picture. Guess the animal. Yes, it's cow. Can you see the next picture? Guess the animal. Can you guess? Yes, it's a sheep. See the next picture? Guess who am I? I am pig. See the next picture? Can you guess? Who am I? Yes, I am hen. Well done, kids. Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye.